Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Point and my name is Nitin Gupta and today I am going to tell about latest recruitment process of TCS company. So if you guys want to join TCS as an assistant system engineer, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to tell about what is the hiring process for freshers in TCS company. So this video is very important for you. So please watch this video completely. So let's start the video. So guys, today's session outline are: firstly we discuss about some basic information about company. We will brief you about the company info about TCS. Then we will discuss about the job description for which freshers are hired in TCS. In this section I will tell about salary and pay packages. Then we will discuss about eligibility criteria to sit in placement drive. Then we will brief you about latest selection process. Then we will discuss about paper pattern and syllabus. So this is all about today's session outline. So firstly we tell about the basic information about TCS. So guys, as you know, Tata Consultancy Services Limited (TCS) is a subsidiary of Tata Group, a largest Indian information technology company that provides global business consulting and information technology services. TCS helps clients in 50 plus countries to create and execute different strategies for their digital transformation. So guys, let's talk about TCS history. So guys, TCS Limited was founded in 1968 by a division of Tata Sons Limited. TCS also established India's first software R&D center. On 25 August 2004, TCS became a publicly listed company. The tagline of the company is "Experience Certainty." So guys, let's talk about some important facts about TCS. So guys, TCS is a multinational company and the services offered by TCS are IT, business consulting and outsourcing services. The revenue of the company is around 22 billion US dollar as per 2020 and the CEO of the company is Rajesh Gopinathan and the number of employees working in TCS are 44,48,464 as per 2020 and the headquarters of the TCS situated in Mumbai. So guys, let's talk about what are the products and services offered by TCS. TCS provides a wide range of information technology related products and services including application development, business process outsourcing, capacity planning, consulting, enterprise softwares, hardware sizing, payment processing, software management and technology educational services. TCS established software products are TCS BA NCS and TCS Mastercraft, the educational platform provided by TCS called as TCS Ion. So guys, let's discuss some HR interview questions which are based on company information and generally asked in HR interview round of TCS. So guys, the questions are: who is the founder of the company? When was TCS founded? Who is the current CEO of TCS? What is the revenue and employee count? And what are the products and services offered by TCS? And where is the headquarters of TCS? So guys, the next slide is for job description. So guys, entry level job designation in TCS is known as assistant system engineer and you guys are hired for assistant system engineer profile in TCS. If we talk about salary and pay packages offered by TCS, then the cost to company will be around 3.38 LPA. So guys, next slide is for eligibility criteria in TCS. So guys, if we talk about eligibility criteria, then TCS is a very diversified company. So it hires candidates from various educational backgrounds. So guys, if you are from BE BTech in branches like Computer Science and Engineering, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering, then you are eligible to sit in placement drive. So guys, engineers from B.Tech, ME, M.Tech from all disciplines, as well as MCA with BSc, BCA, BCom and MSc with Computer Science, Electronics and IT are also eligible to apply. So guys, now we will talk about percentage criteria to sit in TCS recruitment process. So guys, you must have desired percentage criteria to sit in placement drive. The percentage criteria for 10th will be 60%, the percentage criteria for 12th will be 60%, the percentage criteria for your undergraduate program like BE or BTech will be 60%, and the percentage criteria for MCA will be 60% with not more than one backlog at the time of test, and you have to clear your backlog at the time of joining. So guys, next slide is for selection process in TCS. So in latest selection process, there will be an online NQT test, that is National Qualifying Test, consists of 4 sections like quantitative aptitude, English, programming language and coding test. So guys, if you get succeeded in online test, then thereafter a technical interview, managerial interview and a HR interview will be conducted to judge your technical skills and soft skills. So guys, next slide is for syllabus and paper pattern for each section. So guys, the first section is for quantitative aptitude. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 20, and you have to solve these questions in a time span of 40 minutes. The topics will be covered in this section will be number system, percentage, profit and loss, averages, mixture and allegations, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation and combination, probability, blood relation, functions, ratio and proportions, algebra, geometry, SCF and LCM and reasoning. So guys, second section will be allocated to English. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 10, and you have to solve these questions in a time span of 10 minutes. The third round is for CMCQ round. This is a programming language logic section. Here the number of questions will be 10, and you have to solve these questions in a time span of 20 minutes. Here you get basic MCQ questions on basic concept of C, Java, and you get many code snippets to predict the output. And the fourth round will be for coding round. In coding round, you have to solve one problem with any one of given languages like Python, C, C++, Java, and the number of questions appeared in this section will be 1. Here the time allocated for this section will be 20 minutes, and you have to solve this one problem in a time span of 20 minutes. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you guys like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos. I have already made videos on recruitment process for companies like Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, SCL and many more. Guys, you can watch these videos by clicking on I button, and you can get the links from description box to watch these videos. And you can connect with me on social media like Instagram and Facebook. The social media profile links are given in description box, and you can ask your queries to me in comment section as well as in Instagram. So guys, this is all about today's video, and I have already made similar videos on TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini. And guys, I have also made recruitment process and selection process videos on these companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and many more. So guys, you can watch those videos by visiting my channel or the link given in description box. You guys can watch those videos by clicking on I button. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can ask over comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. All social media profile links are given in description box. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your doubt in Instagram. I will help you and provide best solution regarding any placement preparation, regarding any placement guidance. So you can follow me in Instagram and ask your doubts over Instagram. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.